Viongozi kadhaa akiwemo Gavana wa Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui wamefika katika sehemu ya mkasa wa bwawa la Solai ili kutoa risala zao za rambirambi kwa jamaa na marafiki ambao walipoteza wapendwa wao. Kufikia sasa watu 49 wameripotiwa kuaga dunia baada ya bwawa hilo linalomilikiwa na mfanyibiashara binafsi wa maua kubomoa kingo zake na kusomba vijiji vinavyopatikana sehemu hiyo. Hebu tusikie baadhi ya viongozi hao.
The issue was how, and the military immediately goes into the right gear so that we can find a way of removing the water and therefore reduce the risk. So I think it's also a question of what comes first. And you know, this is really an emergency situation, and for us also we want to work around the clock. But it's true, if there's any area that can be improved, we will do that. And you also have a responsibility to communicate, because also when we make it to the media and tell them tomorrow we are discharging, including local media, that is now the responsibility of all our teams to work and ensure it is done. It is not a question of government alone. I think also the media has a role to play in dissemination of this information.
At the camp, we have the tracing desk. The tracing, as of now, has 115 registered households, and out of this 115, we are looking at the total number of people in the camp right now are 312. Those are the ones that are registered.